MI-444 full motion TV wall mount with gas spring arm installation. Wood stud mounting option. With a stud finder, locate the stud and center the mount on it at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount arm to the wall and mark the center of the 3 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/16 of an inch drill bit on the marked locations to a depth of 2.2 inches. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Tighten until secure. Press the decorative covers into the openings in the mount so that they cover the bolt holes. Concrete and brick mounting option. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the mount arm to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 3 mounting holes with a pencil as shown here. Use a 3/8 of an inch drill bit on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the concrete anchors. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the lag screws and washers. Do not drill mounting holes into mortar. Remove the lower single nut from the rear of the VESA plate. Ensure the 2 upper nuts are loosened so that they have a 3 mm gap between the VESA plate and the nut. For VESA patterns greater than 200 by 200, follow the assembly pattern shown here and attach the VESA extensions in the orientation that best matches the VESA patterns of your TV. If your VESA pattern is 200 by 200 or smaller, the VESA extensions will not need to be installed. Attach the VESA plate using the selected bolts and washers, then tighten until secure. Do not over-tighten. Hang the TV on the end of the mount arm so that the 2 upper nuts are in the upper channels and the lower bolt is through the lower bolt hole. Use a bubble level to level the screen. Then tighten the 2 upper nuts until they are secure. Reattach the lower nut and tighten it until it is secure. To weight balance the 2 gas spring arms, begin by pushing the arm down to the lowered position. Then use the hex wrench to adjust the nut as pictured, turning counterclockwise toward the plus sign for heavier monitors, increasing the tension, and clockwise towards the minus sign for lighter monitors, lowering the tension. Adjust until the arm does not raise back to the highest position or sink to the lowest position when released. To adjust the tilt angle of the screen, first loosen the hand knobs slightly. If the screen cannot be tilted by hand, slightly loosen the 2 bolts on either side of the knob using the hex wrench until the screen can be adjusted without tilting forward on its own. Tighten the hand knob once the screen is at the desired angle. Route cables through the cable management clips on the underside of the mount arms.